Hello, all you coin aficionados out there, and welcome again to the DC Coin World International Coin Channel. Once again, we're here for our Monday morning Africa coin videos. So we've got our jar, and as you know, we shake the jar, we pour out the coins, we look through the coins, and we try to pick one out. So let's look through. We have about 30 African coins here. Let's what's this one? Got some palm trees on it or something. Let's take a look at that one. It says 10 Kobo on it. We get these other ones out of the way. And let's take a look and see if we can get this set up so that we can do our video on the 10 Kobo coin. Anybody know where 10 Kobo coin is from? Okay, some of you may know that this is the 10 Kobo from the largest economy on the continent of Africa, and that is the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So this is a 1973 10 Kobo coin from the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Nigeria, as many of you know, gained its independence from Great Britain on October 1st, 1960. And if we look right underneath, we can see it says on the bottom of the coat of arms, in the banner at the bottom of the coat of arms, it says Unity and Faith in English, and that is Nigeria's language, but they have a number of other languages that people speak in Nigeria. As we go around the outside, it says Federal Republic of Nigeria, dot, 1973, dot. This is the coat of arms of Nigeria. Just a beautiful coat of arms if we look at it. See how the horses come up, and there's the eagle in the center. And when we think of Nigeria, many people call it the giant of Africa. It's the world's between 20 and 23rd largest economy. It's the most populous country in Africa, so it has 190 plus million people. It's approaching 200 million people. It has 356,000 square miles. So it's 32nd largest in terms of area. It's the 7th largest in terms of population. This particular coin is a copper nickel coin. It weighs about 4 grams. It is 22.6 millimeters in diameter and 1.2 millimeters thick. It has a specialty edge, and it's actually a reeded edge with a security feature in the middle. So if you look at it specifically, you see that there is actually a hole or a sandwiched edge in the middle of this particular edge. We turn it over, you can see that it has the oil palms on the back. It says 10 Kobo, and it is and this is the specific palm that grows around oil, and many of you know that Nigeria is one of the big oil producers in the world. All right, that's all we have for you today from the DC Coin World International Coin Channel. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye.